Discover the perfect blend of comfort and functionality in this 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath west/shower, 2-car garage home on just under 3 acres. Highlights include a spacious workshop with storage and carport, a sunroom for flexible use, abundant storage and cabinets, and an inviting above-ground pool with patio and deck. This property, with good bones, offers the convenience of being near I-20 while providing tranquil country living. Enjoy the added features of generous gathering spaces, granite countertops and island in the kitchen, a large laundry area, automatic gate with game fencing, and a new well. Don't let this opportunity of serene, country living pass you by. Come see. Come buy.